Hey, today I will explain the Warp and Warp chain, allowing you to change your IP location to a different one. As you can see right now, my Warp location is in my home country. In my config, I'm only using outer proxy. By adding the inner proxy to the chain I'm changing my location to Germany. Now I'll show you how to do it. You can download Warp Scout from GitHub in description. Firstly, you're gonna need to register your Cloudflare account by typing Warp Scout register. I already did that, so I don't need to do it again. The next step is to get your first scan by typing Warp Scout scan. In my country, the default WireGuard is blocked, so we need to change the protocol to Amnesia WireGuard, a obfuscated WireGuard. Type POG and see the nodes pop up. We don't need every node, but specifically ones that contain country you need. Look for the IP with your desired country. Copy it and proceed with the next step. You're going to need to scan through that IP to find nodes that are available through scan node. Type in Warp Scout scan. Select a through parameter with IP you copied. Select U protocol with P. Type in best to select the best server by ping, conf for config file name, and conf type mihomo for the proxy chain to work. Note that this chain is best done in Verge/mihomo type clients. I use the Clash Verge Rev client for this video. The config saved to the directory you were working in. Now place it into client. Go to Proxies, change the routing to Global. Then click the Chain Proxy button to configure chain. Set the outer profile first and the exit profile to Warp and Warp. Press Connect. Install the TUN mode service and enable it. Just like this, I'm now in Finland. Consider that Chain Proxy is going to eat some of your connection speed, and you should probably use it with routing on different apps/websites rather than the whole system. Also a note that this config we made is not infinite. Sometime later Warp will rotate the IPs, and you're gonna need to do that again. Thanks for watching. All links are in description.